So I'm in my motorhome for the first time since picking it up from Lazy Days to inspect the headliner. It is significantly worse than when I left it with Lazy Days. Look how much has come off. It's come off the entire way. It's a warm day in March. Finally got to 80 degrees today. So I came out and just checked it out, checked everything. Everything else seems to be fine as far as the repairs, but this is, I mean, that headliner's not even on there. The repair order said that they reattached the headliner. I'd like to know how this gunk is all over my headliner. I'm gonna have company staying up here in a month. He's a respected colleague, and I can't have this like this. So I'm gonna have to have them come to my house and repair it. I don't want to have to drive